Want to create professional 3D animation for free? No paid software, no complex setup, just a repeatable system that works. In this quick tutorial, you'll learn a free step-by-step workflow to create cinematic 3D animation. We'll build consistent 3D scenes in Nano Banana Pro, then add smooth motion in Grok. I'll give you the exact copy-paste prompts for every step. Don't skip. Miss one step and your results won't look this good. Step 1. Generate the 3D animation blueprint with ChatGPT. First, read a consistent style for the whole animation. Grab the master prompt from the description. This prompt is designed specifically for 3D character consistency. Copy it, paste it into ChatGPT, hit generate. You'll get three things: detailed 3D character descriptions, scene-by-scene text-to-image prompts, matching image to video prompts. We'll use them to create our master set of consistent character images. Next, step 2, create the consistent visuals using Nano Banana Pro. Open Gemini. Select Thinking 3 Pro. Select Create Image inside Gemini. Now you are set to use Nano Banana Pro inside Gemini. Go to ChatGPT. Copy the first character description. Paste it into Gemini. Hit Generate. Within a few seconds, Gemini creates our first character with great detail. The quality is insane. Now go to ChatGPT again and copy the second character prompt. Paste it into the Gemini prompt box. Hit Generate. Within a moment, Gemini and Nano Banana Pro render the second character with 3D style detail. Now generate all scene images with the same characters in the same level of detail. Head over to ChatGPT. Copy the first scene image prompt. Paste it here in Gemini. Hit Create. Just like that, Nano Banana Pro generates the first scene image exactly with the same characters and the details remain the same. Now go to ChatGPT again. Copy the second scene image prompt. Paste it into the Gemini prompt box. Hit Generate. And bingo! Look at that. The character and details are exactly the same. This is a game changer for consistent character animation. Paste the third scene image prompt. Hit Generate. It's so fast that it generates the images within a few seconds. And the consistency is insane. Generate all images in the same way. In under 5 minutes, we generated all the scene images. After getting all the scene images, now it's time to animate them one by one. Step 3. Animate the visuals with Grok. Now we turn those images into real animation. And the best part, this entire process is completely free. Go to Grok, click on Imagine. ChatGPT has already written the image to video prompts. So we're ready to create. Upload the Scene 1 image. Open ChatGPT. Copy the Scene 1 image to video prompt. Paste it into Grok. Hit Generate. In a few seconds, you get a smooth animated shot. Clean motion, natural depth, and no watermark. It matches the look perfectly and feels ready to use. Repeat for Scene 2. Upload the Scene 2 image. Copy the Scene 2 image to video prompt from ChatGPT. Paste it into Grok. Generate. In moments, you get a clean cinematic shot. Same character, same style, smooth motion. It looks polished and professional. Ready to use. Upload the Scene 3 image. Copy the Scene 3 image to video prompt from ChatGPT. Paste it into Grok. Hit Generate. In seconds, you get another polished shot. Same character, matching style, smooth motion. It lines up perfectly with the earlier clips and looks ready to use. Do the same for the remaining scenes. Each clip comes out consistent, clean, and visually solid. Download each clip as it finishes. Step 4. Assemble everything in CapCut. After generating all the animated clips, it's time to edit them into a viral-ready story. We'll use CapCut, a free video editor. Open CapCut and create a new project. Import all the clips you made with Grok. Drag them onto the timeline in order. Add transitions between each clip. Click Transitions at the top. Choose a style that fits the scene. Keep transitions subtle and quick, around 0.3 to 0.5 seconds. Use gentle whoosh effects on transitions. Lay and light background music. Export your video. Render at 4K with a high bitrate for crisp, clean results. And that's it, a 3D animated story made completely free. If this tutorial helped, like the video, subscribe, and hit the bell icon. See you in the next one.